Okay, so we've completed the first week of our work in ALEKS. You have gone through objective knowledge check after Friday night, or if you haven't done it yet, it'll be showing up. That is it's like a practice test. It's not graded, but what it does is it checks what topics you have really learned and which ones you need a little bit more work on. You do not lose any topics that have been recycled for relearning. You do not lose credit for those. Those are still going to show up in your algebra sun points. However, they do need to be reworked to add them back into your pi as learned. And then when you take the next knowledge check and you get it correct, it will be marked as mastered and you won't see that again. I went into student mode and I did one topic, so this is where I'm starting. Notice I do have access to all the other topics except for Objective A. It's not showing up here on the side, but it's right here. It's my first one. So if I start my path, that's where it would be. Another way to navigate, and I'm going to recommend this, is these drop-down menu. First, I'll go to review. For any topics that you've already learned, you can always go back and review them. And I'm going to go there because it'll show I've only got one topic to review because that's all I've learned. You do this drop-down arrow, and then you drop down here. This is a total review, but it shows that in Objective 1, I've completed, I've learned one topic, and I have it here to learn. I don't have any access here. These will be only the ones that you've either learned or mastered. So that's a way to go back and review if you'd like for the test. If I go to learn, these will be all the topics that I have not learned or mastered. And I can navigate to where I want by the first drop-down arrow, and then in a moment you'll see up here, I can actually go into whatever objective I want to. And it shows me how many topics are ready to learn. And it sort of works that these previous ones are prerequisites for future ones. So it's really made to work in order. And so I can't just jump into 4. I only have one topic that's available to me, and I'll show you here. The other ones are locked until I do previous topics. And once I get those done, they will become unlocked. Okay, so these are unlocked topics. I could go ahead and work on this one if I wanted to, and so forth. Monday, the objective will open up. The algebra sun points objective will open up, which locks out every other objective. Right now, no objectives open, so I could actually go anywhere in ALEKS that I have topics ready to learn. Sunday, the only objective that will be available is algebra sun points for week 1 until I learn all the topics in that. And so then that will refocus you to learn whatever topic. So that's where you're going to need to go. You won't be able to go directly into any of the previous. We won't be able to get into Objective 2 tomorrow on Sunday, because once ALEKS has an objective open, none of the other objectives are available until you finish it. Once you finish it, then all other previous objectives are open and available. So then you'd be able to start working on the next week's. This is the only objective that is graded for the first week, and it contains sort of a shadow copy of each of the topics that need to be worked. So it's not something new, it's just a collection of all the topics that you have not learned from the first week. So that's going to be the focus on Sunday. Monday, the topics for that week will open up, which will be 5 through, I think, 10, 5 through 9. And again, we'll do this all again. Once you complete 5 through 9, you will then have access to any of the other objectives. So I hope this helps in how to sort of navigate through ALEKS to get to the things that you need to work on. If you have any questions, that's what we're here for as instructors. Thank you very much. Hope this helps.